Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. We all lead super busy lives and it can be difficult to eat healthy. So today I'm going to share with you a peanut butter chocolate banana green smoothie. It only requires 4 ingredients and it's healthy and delicious. First, we start with spinach, a half of a banana, protein powder, and my favorite product, PB2. This product has 85% less calories and fat than regular peanut butter, and you can use it in oatmeal, yogurt, and smoothies. So let's get started. Start by putting in a handful of spinach, a half of a banana. This can be either fresh or frozen, a scoop of protein powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of the PB2 peanut butter chocolate powder. Then add a little bit of water, about a half a cup. You can also add ice if you prefer, and then blend. All done. Then all you have to do is pour it and it's ready. This is so delicious and healthy. It makes a great breakfast and also a great afternoon snack. And if you would like more information, inspiration, or makeup tips, you can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.